Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you my project, which is a car that is fitted with a forward collision mitigation system. And what it does is it reduces the severity of a crash or even prevents it. The way it works is it uses an ultrasonic rangefinder to detect how far away an obstacle is in front of it, and if it gets too close, it's going to cut power to the motor, and the motor just simply makes the car go forward and backward. And at the back we have a matrix display which shows us the status of the system. And the car itself is controlled by IR remote, and there's also a little buzzer that gives us an audible warning. Now currently it's programmed to give us a caution symbol to give us a warning at 40 centimeters. And when the car does get too close at 25 centimeters, the light starts to flash, the audible warning, the buzzer starts to beep, and the system cuts power to the motor. And a steady red light means that there's no power coming to the motor. And hopefully it stops before a crash, but if anything, it reduces the severity of the impact. Let's see it in action. Let's make it go forward and see if it hits that black obstacle up ahead. And it stops. Make it go backward. Make it go forward again. And it stops right before